Hi, this is Karishma Bajaj. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to be recreating my version of Shraddha Kapoor's look that she recently did for a jewelry brand. Keep watching. We're also going to match the neck, which is very important. So that is my final look. That's my version of Shraddha Kapoor's look from her shoot for a jewelry brand. And I hope you guys like it. Hi, this is Karishma Bajaj. Welcome to Celeb Looks 101. Today I'm going to be recreating Kriti Sanon's look from her latest movie promotions, Hum Do Hamare Do. Lovely. Alright, so this is my version of Kriti's look from her movie promotions Hum Do Hamare Do, and I hope you guys like it.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, celeb looks originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.